Hello, welcome to our channel PD Vlogs. I am Dr. Prabhakar Durge. Today in this video we will see what are the different 7 top career options after engineering. So to get information about all these options, I request all of you to watch this video till last. So let's start this video. So the first option which you have after completion of engineering is campus placement. It is one of the most favorite career options after engineering for most of the engineering students. You can choose to get an engineering job through campus placements. Campus placement can help you to get a high paying job even before you get your degree. Campus placement can be very lucrative, and the number of jobs offered worth more than 1 crore has increased considerably in the last few years. So those students are in first year, second year or in third year, they have to keep these points in mind, that when you prepare for such campus placement job, you must keep these things in your mind. First one is work hard to maintain a good CGPA score. Second one, prepare for job interviews. Third, take part in extracurricular activities. Fourth, study the companies you are applying for. It's a great way to start your career. Getting a campus placement gives you security and a guaranteed job when you complete your degree. Taking part in extracurricular activities will help you in showcasing your soft skills such as leadership skill, communication skill, creativity skill, all these things. That's why I recommend you to focus on them as well. So this is all about the campus placement, which is the best option you have after completion of your engineering. Now let's move to second option, which is higher studies. So this is also one of the most popular career options after engineering which you have. If you are engineering student, then you can prepare for the GATE exam also. Everybody knows that what is GATE exam. GATE is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. This is an exam that tests the comprehensive understanding of undergraduate engineering subjects. With an excellent GATE score, you can enter into the prestigious engineering college for the admission in MTech degree. You will get to expand your knowledge and become a more qualified engineer. If you aren't interested in GATE exam, then you can go for the other exam like JM also. That is the joint admission test for MSc, which is conducted by the IITs and ISC. If higher study are not your thing, then curious about the digital marketing also, so you can go for the digital marketing course, which offers live projects, dedicated students, mentor, case studies and many more. So by this way you can choose various higher studies options also. Third options which you have, that is public service undertaking. When we have already mentioned that GATE exam, it will be wrong to ignore PSUs. After engineering, you can also choose to enter into government jobs which are PSU jobs, which are run by the government, and they provide you the good salary also. The competitive level for these jobs is quite high. Yeah, it's really important that the competition level for these PSU jobs are very high, but it's worth at the end. PSUs check your GATE score. This is very important. PSUs check your GATE score for recruitment. There are multiple PSUs and each of them announces the required GATE score for application every year. It means that if you want to do the job in PSU, you have to prepare for the GATE exam of that particular year. They only consider the GATE score of that specific year. If you work hard, then you can even get a job in Navratna PSUs like BHEL, SAIL, IOCL and many other companies. The jobs offer great pay, security also, and give you a respectable position in society. So according to me, this is very important option which you have after completion of your engineering. Fourth option is management degree. A popular career choice among engineering graduates after engineering is studying management. Studying management can help you get high paying job with more responsibility. To enter in this field, you have to get an MBA. Yes, of course you require the degree of MBA, and for that you will have to give the CAT exam, that is Common Entrance Test. Your score in the CAT exam will determine which institute admits you. So after studying management, you can get managerial roles in different companies. For those who wish to climb up the corporate ladder fast, this is the best option which you have. So managers are also among the highest paid professionals in India. You certainly will enjoy pursuing this field. So this is also a good option for you people. Next one, that is fifth one, is entrepreneurship. So there was a time when engineers shield away from the entrepreneurships, but the successes of many engineers entrepreneurs in recent years have inspired the youth. So you can choose to start your entrepreneurial journey after graduating. According to me, to start this path, you should first identify a prevalent problem and come up with a solution for it. The problem can be in any sector. For example, let's say Flipkart removed the hassle of shopping offline, and Paytm solved the problem of cash scarcity also. So that is also a problem statement and solution for that. Now find a problem and solve it. So how to find out the problem and how to solve it? For budding entrepreneurs, there are many resources. So you can join startup incubator centers and get a head start for your company. There are many startup incubators in India, including and CIE, IIM also. These are the best incubator centers in India. So entrepreneurships require a lot of patience, but experience of starting the running a new company is priceless. Moreover, the returns of succeeding an entrepreneur are fantastic. Yes. So this is all about the internship according to me. So whatever information I got about this internship point, that I have shared with you. Now next one is become an expert. So you can become an expert in particular field. So in this point, I would like to tell you that if you want to get a high paying job at the start of your career, this is the best option for you. Then you should take a course or a certification in an in-demand skill. In-demand skill means the skills which is currently trending in the market. So many companies are looking for the engineers who are familiar with the latest technology, such as let's say artificial intelligence or blockchain. So jobs in these sectors are better paying. Moreover, you will not have to worry about getting a job, because high quality courses also provide this placement assistance, and the demand for these skills is tremendously high. So companies are in the dire need of professionals adopting artificial intelligence, let's say data science, blockchain, and many more. So there are many varieties in this field too. Every skill has different applications, so you have to choose the options which one is best for you. So according to me, currently I have search out some most popular skills in the market, let's say like blockchain, AI, machine learning, digital marketing, data science, and many more. Now last option which today's engineering students have after completion of their engineering is enter into the civil services. So if you aspire to serve the nation and make a dent in the system, you can opt for the civil services as well. So it is probably one of the favorite career options after your BTech or BE degree of your. So civil services are among the I think hottest career options. To enter the civil services, you will need to crack the UPSC exam also, so which is one of the toughest examination in the world. Experts recommend preparing for at least a year before applying. So this UPSC exam is divided into two stages. First one is preliminary examination, and second one is the mains exam. Again, main exam is written exam plus interview. Around 10 or 20 lakhs of students give this exam everywhere, and only a few thousand get selected. If you can get a high rank, you can get the prestigious post like IAS, IPS, or IFS as well. It's a popular option among engineers, as let's say 19 of the top 20 CSE toppers in every year were engineers. So these are the different 7 options which I have found out for the students after completion of their engineering. Now from my side, the conclusion of this video is, as you can see here, engineers have lots of career options after their graduation. So whether you want to climb the corporate ladder or conduct research, there are ample opportunities everywhere. So this above list what I have explained have great career options after engineering. So you can determine your interest based on your career choice that you would like to opt for your graduation, or simply you can say after your graduation you can opt these options. So for all young minds wondering what to do after engineering, you need to check the amount of time, the difficulty level also, before deciding which path to opt after your graduation. So this is very important quote. By clarifying your goal, you can ensure career success. So in this video, that's it from my side. If you like this video, please click on like and subscribe my channel for such type of motivational and good videos, and to get about the notification about new videos, please click on bell icon. Thank you.